Come with me and let's buy another 3D printer. I bought my first Bambu Lab printer here, and I got to add a machine for our small business. If you buy a Bambu Lab printer here, you will receive a free filament, and I chose the black one. You can also have them to test the unit. All good, we are excited to unbox this at home. Let's unbox it. Here are the things in the box. Manual, build plate, AMS light, printer frame, base housing, PTFE tubes, accessory box, purge wiper, power cable, spool holder, and a mystery kit. Mine was a clock components. Step 1, remove packaging. Remove the 4 Z-axis limiter mounting screws and detach the 2 Z-axis limiters. Remove the cardboard wraps, zip ties and foam also. Step 2, install the build plate. Install the build plate with correct orientation, aligning the edge with the heat bed. Step 3, combine base housing and frame. Tilt the base housing 45 degrees to pass through, and ensure base is fully flush with the frame. Step 4, remove Y-axis cover. Push the heat bed fully to the front and open the Y-axis cover gently. Step 5, lock base housing. Screw the holes inside the bed, see the guides. Step 6, put the cover back. Step 7, tilt the printer 90 degrees on the table. Use the foam in the box to support. Step 8, plug in cable box. Align 2 clips on the cable box and slide until Type-C clicks and make sure connectors are plugged. Ensure to tuck the cable in the cable slot. Step 9, fold out the touch screen. Step 10, install purge wiper. Push tool head to the middle. Slide the purge wiper into the slot at the end of X-axis. Step 11, assemble AMS light. Put the AMS light stand and screw it with the body. Slide the rotary spool holders on and match the colors. Look for the 2 long PTFE tubes for 3 and 4 ports, and 2 short PTFE tubes for 1 and 2 ports. Then insert them to the tool head and clip black cable. Step 12, plug the AMS light and power cable. Step 13, setting up. Follow the instructions and connect to Wi-Fi. Bind printer with your Bambu Handy app. Make sure to calibrate printer first. Load your free filament and set up the filament in the printer. Lastly, we will do a test print using 3D Benchy. While waiting, I will leave you some tips. Have your printer maintained and cleaned. Have your filament dry and not wet. Always double check the sliced file before printing. Print some helpful mods for your printer. Get a sturdy table or place for your printer. If this video helps you, please subscribe. Satisfying quality.